What's up, guys? It's your girl Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we're going to be giving you a little something light, something slight. We are going to be giving a review and demo of the TPH by Taraji P. Henson hair care line. So if you guys want to see what I think about the products, stay tuned.
Look up for me till let's go. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more.
So before I get started, I want to give a special shout out to my little friend Harlow. I met her the other day and she is a big fan. She came up to me, she gave me the biggest hug, and she says, "I see you on YouTube with your makeup on." And then her mom told me when she left, she was like, "I can't believe Dwayna knows my name." It was the cutest thing that ever happened to me. So hi Harlow, thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you, and I hope that this makes your day. Now let's get into this review for the TPH by Taraji P. Henson hair care line. So if you guys didn't know, Taraji P. Henson came out with a natural hair care line that is available at Target, and I purchased the Honey Fresh clarifying shampoo with moisture and then the Make It Rain hydration rich conditioner to test out for you guys. This line, the full thing is available on Target's website. There's so many products in this line and I wanted to see it in the store so that I can make my choice then. So I definitely knew that I wanted these because they are hydration products, and we are 4C low porosity, so we need all the moisture we can get, right? So I know I definitely wanted these, but I also wanted to try some other products. I was looking for a deep conditioner, not the overnight conditioner. I was looking for like a styling product. I wanted to do like an extensive review for you guys so you guys know whether or not you should get it. In the store, they did not have that many products, and I went to 2 different Targets to see if I could get other things, but they did not have that at my Target, so I just stuck with the shampoo and conditioner. I used this shampoo for the first time after I took out my hair from some braids that I had under my wig. There was a lot of product in my hair. There was a lot of gel in my hair, a lot of just like gunky residue. So the Honey Fresh clarifying shampoo is to cleanse, detox, and hydrate. It's for all hair types, straight, wavy, curly, and coily, and it says on the back that it's sweet like honey, clean like wool. When you need your deepest clean plus added moisture, Honey Fresh comes to the rescue. This honey-like gel shampoo purifies hair and scalp without stripping your hair of natural oils. It's packed with ingredients to boost moisture and leave your hair and scalp feeling fully hydrated, healthy, and fresh. It's infused with aloe, honey, and willow bark extract. It's vegan, cruelty-free, SLS/SLES free, phthalate free, paraben free, mineral oil free. So a few like superficial things that I liked about this shampoo when I was using it. I liked the smell, I liked the lather that built up in it, and I liked the fact that it did not leave my hair feeling stripped. That was one thing that I did notice because it did say that it was a clarifying shampoo. So the shampoo, like I washed my hair the first time and my hair still felt moisturized. I don't know if that's the right word, but it did not feel like, you know how like sometimes you get like a squeaky feeling on your hair when you're washing it? It didn't feel like that at all. I used this shampoo 3 times because my hair was really dirty, like I said before, and I washed for about 3 minutes each time that I used it, so about 9 minutes total of this shampoo. The last time I used it, it did feel very clean, and it does have like a tingling sensation that I really liked. That made me make it feel like it was a little bit more clean. You know, that really doesn't mean anything, but I really like things that tingle. The tingling means it's working, so I appreciate that. It felt very, very clean, and it felt like it was like if I washed it one more time, then I would get that stripped feeling. I don't know if it's... I just want to pause this fast forwarding to show you this curl definition. If you guys remember my pattern beauty video, I don't have curl definition in the front, and this is straight in the front of my head. So that is new. I was just very confused. I looked up and I was like, oh, there's curls there. What's happening? So let's just get on with the rest of the video. Bye. All right, next in the product line is the Make It Rain Hydration Rich Conditioner that is to hydrate, smooth, and detangle. And it is for all hair types. straight, wavy, curly, and coily. No umbrella needed. Make It Rain comes stacked full of botanically rich ingredients, showering your hair with moisture for irresistibly healthy looking hair. This hydrating and strengthening conditioner helps smooth, detangle, and nourish hair. A must-have for your product stash. It's infused with aloe, quinoa, avocado oil, and moringa oil. It is also vegan, cruelty-free, SLS/SLES-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. And you can also use this as a deep conditioner. I did not use it as a deep conditioner because I did a protein treatment in the middle, so I just didn't. I didn't use it as a deep conditioner. I just put it in, let it sit in my hair for a little bit, and then rinsed it out and detangled under the water. So another thing that I like about this product is the fact that it tingles as well. I feel like the slip could be a little bit better with this because it did take a little bit more time and a little bit more effort to finger detangle my hair and also to detangle underneath the water. And usually when I'm detangling my hair with like the Pattern Beauty conditioner or even like some other conditioners that I've had, like Miel Organics, it's much easier to detangle under the water than it was with this Make It Rain conditioner. Done though, I felt like my hair looked really good. It looked like really shiny. It looked really it had like a lot of natural luster. I don't know if it's because I was in front of the ring light and my hair has been dirty for a long time, but it looked way better than it did when I started, so I appreciated that as well. So then after I finished that, since they didn't have any styling products, I went in and I did my usual styling routine. I did a braid out using the LLC method, and then I let this dry overnight. And then today I blasted it with my hooded dryer for a little bit because I didn't think it was fully dry. Today when I was taking my hair out, I was like, oh, my hair looks really good. I don't know if I could really attribute it to the products because my hair has been looking really good lately. So, you know, when I've been doing it, it has been looking really good. Let's break down pros and cons for these two products. I like the smell. I like how my hair felt when I was using it. The curl pattern that miraculously came in the front of my head, that was weird. I've never seen that before. I appreciate the price, like they're $10 each. So that's something that's like a lot more affordable than anything that you would find at Sephora or Ulta, and that's good. This is something that you could replenish a little bit easier than say Pattern or like Brigio or Diva Curl because those are more expensive products. Cons. Now this is something stupid, but I hate these bottles. Like I like how they look, but it's so hard to get the product out when you are like when your hands are wet and slippery. Like I had to like put it under my chin and squeeze to get most of the product out, and I couldn't get like oh, I guess you can open it all the way and just pour it out. But when my hands were like really, really wet, I wasn't able to do that. If you've been on this channel, you know I love packaging, and you know I like packaging that makes things easier for the consumer, and this was not something that made it easy for the consumer. Now that is something stupid. I don't think that it's a reason why you shouldn't buy this unless you have like a disability that wouldn't allow you to squeeze the bottle. So another con that I have is that there are so many products, and it can be overwhelming for a natural to kind of comb through all of that stuff and figure out what they need. There's a blue line, there's a red line, there's a yellow line, there's a purple line, I think there's a green line. Like I need things that are going to work for my hair. So if there's a blue line and that's the hydration line, cool. Let's get some deep conditioners for the hydration line. Let's get some styling products for the hydration line. Let's do something like that. You understand? Instead of like the yellow line being like scalp treatments, then the red line is like overnight things, and then this one is hydration. They didn't even have the purple ones in Target, so I didn't even know what that one is about. Like I feel like there's a lot going on and it's really busy, and so it's difficult for people to figure out what exactly it is that they need. So do I think that you should get the TPH by Taraji shampoo and conditioner? I think that if you are willing to try a new product, that it's something that you can try. I don't think it will put you too much in a hole. I don't think it's going to like make your hair fall out or anything. I will say that my hair doesn't necessarily hate anything. Like I have really tough hair. Like, the only thing my hair hates is perms and mixed chicks. My hair hates mixed chicks. So if this is something that you want to try, I say go out and get it. I can't really tell you about anything else, but these two products, they are a go. I feel like you can buy them. Like, if you can buy Garnier, you can buy these. Yeah, that's how I feel. So let me know in the comments if you're planning on going out and purchasing any of these products from your local Target or from Target online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you'll know exactly when I upload and you'll be a part of the Glam fam. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.